Come test drive the 2016 Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. This SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, electronic stability control, heated front seats, fog lights. Come take a test drive today.